Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma, Assistant Professor Babu Banarsi Das University, Lucknow. Today I will discuss an important topic, human respiratory system. The respiratory system is responsible for taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. It's made up of the lung and a network of airways that deliver air to and from the lungs. The exchange of gases O2 and CO2 occurring between atmosphere and body cells is known as respiration. Types of respiration will be external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration, the exchange of gases occurring between atmosphere and the blood taking place in the lungs is described as external respiration. Internal respiration, the exchange of gases occurring between the blood and body cells is known as internal or tissue respiration. It also called tissue respiration. Anatomy of the respiratory system. First is nose. The nose filter and warm air and it contains olfactory receptor for smell. Pharynx. The pharynx is a passageway for both air and food. Is responsible for sound production during speech. Lungs. The lungs are the primary organ of respiration where gas exchange takes place. Organs of respiratory system: nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, lungs, pleural layer and intercostal muscles, diaphragm. Breathing mechanism. First is inhalation. The diaphragm contracts, expanding the chest cavity, drawing air into the lung. Exhalation. The diaphragm relaxes, reducing the chest cavity volume and expelling air from the lung. Gas exchange. Oxygen from inhaled air passes into the bloodstream while carbon dioxide from the blood enters the lungs to be exhaled. We can see that the diagram of inhalation and exhalation air in the lungs. This. Gas exchange. First is alveoli. Tiny air sac in the lungs where gas exchange occurs. They are a large surface area for efficient diffusion. Next is capillaries, small blood vessels surrounding alveoli. They carry deoxygenated blood and deliver oxygenated blood to the body. Diffusion, the movement of oxygen from the alveoli into the blood and carbon dioxide from the blood into the alveoli. This is the diagram of the alveoli. It present in the inside of the lungs. It is the smallest unit of the respiration. Alveoli. Bronchioles. This is bronchioles. This is alveoli. smallest air sac-like structure. Next is respiratory disorder. First is asthma. Asthma is a chronic inflammatory disease characterized by bronchospasm and airway obstruction. COPD. COPD, a chronic lung disease that causes airflow obstruction and breathing difficulties. Pneumonia. Third is pneumonia, an infection of the lungs that can cause inflammation and fluid buildup. Next is lung cancer. Lung cancer is a leading causes of death worldwide, including uncontrolled cell growth in the lungs. Next is respiratory disease. First is influenza. Influenza is a viral infection that causes fever, cough, and muscle ache. Bronchitis. Bronchitis is inflammation which causes inflammation of the bronchial tubes, causing coughing and mucus production. Tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection that affects the lung and can spread to other organs. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is a genetic disorder that causes thick mucus buildup in the lung, leading to respiratory problem. Next is respiratory system function. First is oxygen intake. The respiratory system takes in oxygen from the air, which is essential for cellular respiration. Next is carbon dioxide removal. It removes carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration, from the body. Next is speech production. Speech production, air passing through the vocal cord in the lungs creates sound for speech. Next is olfaction. The nose contains olfactory receptors that detect and interpret odor. Thank you.